In this video, we're going to show you how to install the vapor canister purge valve on your Ford 500, located on the back passenger side of the vehicle. Remove this hose right here. There's a retaining clip. You're going to push in on this unit right here and pull the hose off. Just going to wipe that down. Now this is the component we're going to be replacing. There's an electrical connector on the side right here. We're going to pinch in on this and wiggle that connector off. Our clip is a little stuck, so we're just going to use these pliers here. And this right here is the tab that you'll be pressing in on, so I just use my pliers just to gently pinch and wiggle that connector off. Remove these two 10mm bolts. We sprayed this down with some rust penetrant. Let it set for about 10 minutes. On the opposite side, there is a 10mm nut here. We did spray that down with the rust penetrant. Let's go ahead and loosen it and remove this nut. Remove this 10mm nut on the forward mount. Now this harness right here, we're going to pop out the trim. Going to use our trim tool. And we're just releasing the plastic push pins here that are securing the harness in place. I'm going to try and pull this side down here off of the studs. Slide this over, and we want to drop this down a little bit. Now on this side right here, there's a hose we're going to slide off. And this is the unit we need to remove. And then gently pull this out. Twist this hose off. And this side is held in with an O-ring. So I'm going to twist this and pop it off. There's the component right there. I went ahead and put a little bit of silicone paste on the O-ring. It's going to help this slide into place. Line that up. Push it in. Snap that unit into place. Install the hose. Push it up into place, install the other hose. Make sure it's fully seated and fit this back up into position. And once you have this side set up in place here, line up the studs on the other side. Push that up and get your nut with the washer started on one of these here. I'm going to go ahead and install the nut and washer on the front side. And once you have those both caught by hand, let's go ahead and snug them down. Once that nut bottoms out, about a quarter turn. Let's do the same for the back one. Get the two bolts started on this side here. Once they're started, let's go ahead and snug those down. Once that bolt bottoms out, quarter turn, and the same for the back one. Bottomed out, quarter turn. Go ahead and install the harness retainers. Install the electrical connector. You'll hear it and feel it snap into place. Install the vent tube. push that on all the way. tug it back, make sure it's locked in. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.